Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Mitsubishi Outlander gas tank. Knowing how to access your fuel tank is essential for every driver. We will cover the common methods to open the fuel door, ensuring you can refuel your vehicle quickly and easily. It is a straightforward process once you know where to look and what to do. For many Mitsubishi Outlander models, you will find a dedicated release lever inside the cabin. This lever is usually located on the floor, to the left of the driver's seat, often marked with a fuel pump symbol. Simply pull this lever upwards with a gentle but firm motion, and you will hear a click as the fuel door unlatches. Certain Mitsubishi Outlander models offer an even simpler approach, a push-to-open fuel door. After ensuring your vehicle is unlocked, walk to the fuel door on the driver's side. Gently press on the rear edge of the door, and it will pop open automatically. This modern design eliminates the need for an interior lever or button. With the fuel door open, you can now access the gas cap. Turn the cap slowly counterclockwise to unscrew it completely. After fueling, replace the cap, turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks, ensuring a tight seal. Finally, gently push the fuel door closed until it securely latches into place, completing the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.